changing or adding an email address to your Avast account. Start by going to the website. Once that's done, next thing you want to look at is Account Settings. Click on that. Once you arrive here, scroll down until you get to Email Management. From here, you can delete what you already have. If you only have one, of course, you don't want to delete it. If you're about to change it, what you want to do at this point is to add another email. Once your second email has been added, you then have a choice to either set it as your primary. You will at that point, since you now have two email addresses, also be able to delete the other one if that's no longer an active or a correct email address. That's all it takes to manage email addresses on your Avast account. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.